everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good at your home. My name is Asma Jabeen and I am junior prep teacher as you all know. Okay, I am fine, Alhamdulillah too. Okay, now kids, do you remember what we have learned few days back? We have learned two sounds. One was a and the other was b. A, b. So now this week we are going to learn a new sound. So before starting that sound, let's sing a rhyme, a phonics rhyme. Okay, come on, sing with me. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, v, x, y, z. Very nice, clapping. And now we will sing alphabet songs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Wow! Clap for yourself. Now kids, let's go to the sound. We are going to learn a sound now. Let's see what I have to show. Okay, now kids, see. This is K. This is K. Open your two fingers. Put it on the starting point. K is curvy. Okay, K is curvy. K is curvy. Now let's see how many friends of K are. Now, wow, what is this? This is a cake. This is a cake. K, cake. Wow, now let's see who is other. Wow, candy. K, candy. Very nice. Now, what is this? This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. K, caterpillar. Now, K, cup. What is this? K, cup. Cup. Now, K, carrot. Wow, I love carrot. Carrot is very nice. It's so juicy. K, carrot. Now, K, candle. K, candle. जब लाइट जाती है तो हम कैंडल बर्न करते हैं ना, और जब हमारी बर्थडे होती है तो भी हम कैंडल बर्न करते हैं. ख, कैंडल. ख, cucumber. K, cucumber. Now these are all the friends of K. Now let's sing a rhyme of K. Sing with me or sing after me. Now, K is for cake. K, K, cake. K is for candy. K, K, candy. K is for caterpillar. K, K, caterpillar. K is for cup. K, K, cup. K is for carrot. K, K, carrot. K is for cucumber. K, K, cucumber. K is for candle. K, K, candle. K is for candle. K, K, candle. Wow, very nice. And I have one more thing and I will show you. Okay, now kids, I am showing you one more friend of K. What is this? This is a beautiful, sweet little cat. K, cat. K, cat. Oh, cat is saying meow, meow. Yes, cat says Meow meow. K, cat. Now what we are going to do is we are going to read this k sound from our book. Now we all have this English picture book. Now we are going to open it. We have learned the sound A. We have also done B. Now we are going to read K. Now first K, cat. K, car. K, carrot. K, cow. Now how can we make this K? We are going to put our two fingers on the starting point and trace it. K is curvy, K is curvy, K is curvy, K cat, K car, K carrot, and K cow. Now you have to practice this page so many times so it will be easier for you to read this page. Okay, now kids, this is your salt tray, and now we are going to practice K on this salt tray. Now open your two fingers and put it on a starting point. Make a K. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. Now you have to ask your child to practice this activity at least 2 to 3 times or more than 10 times to make their formation clear. K. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. So now you have to practice this at your home. So kids, now after practicing this, reinforce the whole intro of K again and again, and everybody wait for our next video. Inshallah, we will share it on after few days, and in that video we are going to tell you how to write K. So keep practicing this sound tray till our next video. Okay everyone, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Allah Hafiz.